In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to record a video for your students using the webcam in your laptop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the Windows Start menu and I'm going to look for the camera app and I'm going to click on camera. This is going to activate the webcam on your camera. You'll notice that you have a couple of different options over here. If you use this one, you would take a still photo. So this is a good way to take photos if you don't have access to another camera. But in this case, we want to make a video. So I'm going to turn on video mode. You'll notice that you have a time counter down here so that you can see how long that your video is. And when you're ready to record, you're going to click record. That will start the recording. You'll see that you have now a stop button and a pause button, so you can record a video to your students. So this would be a great way if you wanted to use your whiteboard, so set your laptop up so that you can draw on your whiteboard, or maybe you want to do a science experiment. You could set your laptop up and have a table in front of you with your materials for a science experiment. This is also a super simple way if you wanted to read a story to your students. You could do that with this option. So when you're finished recording, you're just going to hit the stop button. And this recording actually saves to the camera roll of your computer. So if you click down here, that is the thumbnail image of the video that I just recorded. And it's in your camera roll, which is on the Photos folder on your laptop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this video and we're going to put it into Drive. So I'm going to open up Drive. And I have already created a folder here to hold my videos, and I've changed the share settings on this folder so that anyone with the link can view it. So anytime I put a folder in here, I put a video or a file in here, it's going to take on those same share settings. So in this case, I'm going to open that folder, I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to go to File, Upload. And now I'm going to navigate to that camera roll folder, which will be in your pictures. Okay, so that's where you want to look, is pictures and camera roll. And then you'll find the video that you created. And you'll click open and it will upload. Now, depending on how long your video is, it may take a little bit longer. I did a pretty short video, so hopefully it will upload here pretty quickly. Now, depending on how long your video is, it may take longer for it to upload. So if you're trying to upload a 5 or a 10-minute video, be patient. It may take a while for it to upload to Drive. One other thing that I would recommend to you is that you change the name to something that's going to make a little bit more sense. So I'm just going to click right-click on this, and I'm going to go to rename, and then maybe give it a name for what it is. So if this was my math lesson for Monday, I might use that as my title, as my name. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK so that changes. So because I changed the share settings on this folder, you notice that the video is already shared. So anybody who has the link to this video will be able to access it. So I am simply going to come in here and I'm going to say share, and there is the link there. Okay, so anybody has this link, so I'm just going to copy that link, and then I can either put that link into an email, or if I'm going to share this with students through Google Classroom, I will go into Classroom, create my assignment, and attach the video from Drive that way to that assignment. So that is a super quick way that you can create a video using your laptop's webcam.